Well, I think the reason why you see that the alternative sectors have increasing demand these days is that people are looking first of all for diversification. I think that's important reason. But secondly, maybe even as important is the fact that you still have a yield gap between, the major sectors as we know them and these niches in the market, these alternatives, in which you can still see that you see pricing at ranges which are more attractive than the general sectors. And at Bouwfonds, we consider ourselves, a medium player in the market, and we focus actually on these alternatives. We have, for instance, farmland as one of the few shops in the world in our basket. Which means that we buy farmlands in Eastern Europe and then put an operator, a farmer on it, and then who has to pay rent for the farmland. And that's what you see is very attractive for big institutional shops because it is safe. It gives you a safe yield and a relatively high yield. Another alternative we have is student housing, which also is a kind of a new kid on the block, but which also attracts enormous enormous amounts of money these days. So, and we are already active in that for a couple of years. The third thing we are doing, and that's also my home turf, so to say, is parking. And within parking you see actually the same thing what you see in the other alternative classes, and that is that investors are attracted to the yield, they are attracted to the fact that it's diversifying their portfolio, and it's a new thing, and it also gives you a strong core income return in return of it. So I think that's the reason why investors are so attracted to it.